Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell on Amazon Handmade. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to sell on Amazon Handmade. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Amazon website at amazon.com and log in to your Amazon account using your credentials by hitting on the sign up button at the top right corner. Now, once you log in successfully and it takes you right into this homepage, all you need to do is to scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Make Money with Us section. In this category, you're going to find Sell on Amazon, Sell Apps on Amazon, Supply to Amazon, Protect and Build Your Brand, Become an Affiliate, Become a Delivery Driver, Start a Package Delivery Business, Advertise Your Product, Self-Publish with Us, Become a Partner Hub, Become an Amazon Hub partner, and see more ways to make money. So go ahead and click on see more ways to make money. Then scroll all the way down and you're going to find a couple of categories, including Amazon Business, Amazon Merch on Demand, Amazon Handmade, Black Business Accelerator. So here, Amazon Handmade is what we are looking for. Now click on Get Started to actually get started. And once you do that, it's going to take you to the Amazon Handmade page, where all we need to do is to just follow through with the prompt to apply. So once you follow the instructions to complete your artisan application by providing the details about your craft, your product, and your business, then we're just going to move on to the next step. So from this page, all you need to do is to click on the Apply Now button. That's already created a seller account, so go ahead and click on Apply Now, or new to Amazon, go ahead and click on Sign Up if you are new to Amazon. Now select Apply Now, and that's going to take you right into the next window that will contain the next step, which is to provide the necessary information by following specific instruction to register your business. So here you'll be prompted with this. You need to enter the password for that and click on sign in, and that's going to take you right into the next. So two-step verification, where to receive the two-step verification that says text me or call me. So text me is actually preferable. We're just going to wait for that code to come in. So on this page, I think the Amazon Seller Center website is currently down, so I've been finding it very difficult opening the website itself. But then I'm just going to walk you through the process why it just keeps loading. Now, on this page, you're going to be provided a business registration form. So all you need to do is to just follow the step-by-step processes or the prompt to provide every detail concerning your artisan business. All right. They're going to be asked tax identification number, different kind of details that you need to provide. Ensure that the details are correct and they are as displayed in your registration form that's at the time you registered the business legally. Now, after your application is approved, just go ahead and log into your Amazon Seller Central account. All right, and once you log into Amazon Seller Central account, on the dashboard of Seller Central, go to the Handmade section and start setting up your seller profile. So upload the profile picture or logo and fill in important details about your shop, such as your shop name, a shop bio or description about your brand and products, and of course your crafting techniques and materials used. Then in the Seller Central dashboard, under the inventory section, go ahead and click on Add a Product. And the product listing form provides the product title, product image, make sure they meet the Amazon's guidelines, and of course the description of your product. Include materials, customization options, and how it's handmade, and set your price, stock quantity, and shipping options. Then you need to set up shipping and payment. So first off, before setting up shipping and payment, after setting your price, stock quantity, and shipping options, go ahead and click on submit to submit your product listing for review. Now, under the settings tab in your Seller Central page, go ahead and click on shipping settings. Now configure your shipping regions, shipping rates, and delivery options based on where you're willing to ship. Set up your payment information under the account info section. Add your bank account details to receive payment. Consider using Amazon sponsored products to promote your listings and increase visibility. And share your handmade store link on your social media, blogs, or websites to attract more customers. When you receive an order, you will get a notification in your Seller Central account. So pack your product, print the shipping label, and ship it using your selected delivery option. Once shipped, mark the order as completed in the Seller Central dashboard. And that's it. That's how you can start selling on Amazon Handmade. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you set. As you can see, the website is still loading, so Seller Central is currently down, but at the time you use it, if it's not down, just follow the steps and you'll be good to go.